Welcome to MyPlan Basics. In this video, you will learn how to set up a MyPlan for use with Unique Learning System. A MyPlan combines your schedule with Unique Learning System content, resulting in a personalized lesson plan that makes it easy for you to deliver instruction, monitor growth, and show compliance. MyPlans allow you to launch lessons from one convenient location, the teacher dashboard. View your state standards at point of use while you teach, and print lesson plans that include standards documentation. MyPlans also create a streamlined student view that matches your lesson plan for the day. MyPlans also unlock enhanced student daily performance features, including the ability to clear student work and score new attempts, as well as the ability to add observational notes and record data for offline attempts. In order to create a MyPlan, you need a classroom schedule. To create, review, or edit your schedule prior to creating a MyPlan, navigate to My Account, My Schedules. If your schedule tends to fluctuate a lot, create a simple schedule with the subjects you teach and assign them large blocks of time. This is enough to get you started with MyPlans and will ensure unique content is populated for you each day. As your schedule changes, you can move the blocks of time around within your MyPlan. Once you have a schedule, creating a MyPlan is as easy as 1, 2, 3. When a new unit of Unique Learning System instruction becomes available, the MyPlan wizard will walk you through the necessary steps to setting up your MyPlan. First, you'll choose the dates you want instruction to begin and end. Next, you'll choose any dates that you will not be teaching your regular schedule, for example, holidays, in-service days, or field trips. Days you choose to exclude will be skipped when your MyPlan for the unit is generated. Next, you'll choose how you want your content to be populated. Creating your MyPlan using the suggested monthly plan takes the guesswork out of how to fit all of the great Unique Learning System instruction into your schedule. By choosing this option, you're telling the system to recommend a plan of instruction based on the subjects you teach and the time you have each day. This is the quickest, easiest way to get started with MyPlans. Your MyPlan can then be modified as little or as much as you like at the unit level. To see what your MyPlan will look like by following the suggested monthly plan, use the Preview button. If you prefer, you can choose to have the system generate an empty MyPlan, and then you can add content manually. Once you've created an initial MyPlan, you have the ability to save MyPlans as templates. Then an additional option will appear during this step of the wizard for you, and you can choose to create your MyPlan based off of one of your saved templates. Existing users may see this option right off the bat. If you've ever created a MyPlan, the master plan that was used to create that MyPlan has been saved as a template for you. For now, we'll continue by creating our MyPlan based on a suggested monthly plan. Once your MyPlan is created, you will land on the Unique Learning System homepage. This page is referred to as the Teacher Dashboard. From the dashboard, you can view and launch lessons for the current day and navigate to other important areas of Unique Learning System. After creating a MyPlan, you'll want to review what you'll teach each day. To view your complete My Plan, click on the icon in the upper right-hand corner to enter calendar mode. In calendar mode, you can view your My Plan by day, week, or month. Begin reviewing your My Plan by examining the blocks that contain exclamation marks. Exclamation marks indicate content that needs to be configured. You'll see these exclamation marks in math, science and social studies blocks, and a handful of reading language arts blocks. In math, the suggested monthly plan includes more content than you typically will need. Review the resources and determine which work best for your class. Then set as configured. If you are using intermediate, middle school, or high school grade bands, science blocks contain access to the science and social studies courses. Search courses and assign what meets your needs. Continue your review by noting where the system plays content and making adjustments as necessary. Blocks can be edited and moved by changing the date and time, or they can simply be dragged and dropped to a different day or time period. Blocks can also be deleted, and new blocks can be added. Individual events can also be moved by dragging and dropping them, or by using the Move to Another Block feature. If your plan was populated based on the suggested monthly plan, some events will be joined. It is best practice to teach joined events together. To make it easy to move these events, they can be moved as a group. If you need to unjoin events, you can do so using the Join icon. Clicking the Join icon on an individual event will unjoin just that event. Clicking the Join icon on a group of events will unjoin the entire group. You can also join events by dragging until you see the green line. In my schedule, I have spelling at a separate time, so I'm going to unjoin spelling and move it to my spelling block. You can also browse or search unique learning system content and add it to any block. From the Add Content modal, you can give your content a title and then choose the type of resource you'd like to add. You can add lesson activities, course activities, N2I library books, core materials. Middle school, high school, and transition grade bands can also add transition passport materials. Once you've chosen the type of resource you'd like to add, you can browse and view the different activities as well as the standards they cover. Or if you know your lesson's lesson number, you can do a quick add. You'll also soon be able to search by keyword. If you're happy with your My Plan and you'd like to see the changes that you've made carried forward into future units, you can create a template. To create a template, navigate to the three vertical dots next to the grade band in the My Plan that you'd like to create a template for. Choose how you'd like to create a template. If you'd like to create a new template, or if you have existing templates, you can overwrite a template. Give your template a name. And choose which My Plan you'd like to create it from. Templates can be managed from the Manage Templates area. Here you'll find a list of the templates that you have for any of the grade bands that you have access to. You can view these templates. When you view them, you'll view them one subject at a time. You can also compare templates. You can compare between two different templates, or you can compare a template to the suggested monthly plan. You can edit the name of a template or delete a template, but you cannot make edits to a template at this point in time. Once you've created a template, the next time that you're prompted to set up a My Plan, you'll be able to apply this template. Any differences between the selected template and your current classroom schedule will be pointed out. For example, in this case, these items exist in the schedule but are not in the template. So they will be populated but will be empty. Again, you can always preview what your plan will look like if you populate it by the suggested monthly plan or with a particular template. You can create as many templates as you like, customizing them for certain situations like holiday units or summer units. If you need any additional assistance in setting up a My Plan or working with templates, please use our chat feature or visit our knowledge base.